abandoned dog was so filthy that his leg became stuck to his ear. Animal neglect is, sadly, a common problem among many pet owners. When you assume the care of any pet, you need to make sure that they're given the proper attention and love they need. Unfortunately, that isn't always the case. Sometimes animals are found in such a state of abuse that it's hard to believe they managed to stay alive at all. Their owners either refuse to put any effort into their care, or they simply weren't able to, and the poor animals are then left to suffer the consequences. Fortunately, there are people in this world who want to help. When a 6-year-old Lhasa Apso was found roaming the streets of Leeds, England, he was in such awful condition that the warden who found him couldn't even tell what kind of animal he was. Still, without immediate help, the pooch stood no chance of survival. When owning any sort of pet, most people make sure that they care for it as if it was their own child. Pets need constant love and care after all. Unfortunately, not all pet owners feel the same way, and animal neglect is a common issue. One of the worst cases of such neglect happened only recently in Leeds, England, when a poor Lhasa Apso was discovered by a dog warden. When the warden first came across the little guy, he couldn't even tell what kind of animal it was. The pup's hair was so matted and thick that the fur on his leg became entangled and fused with his ear. The pooch's skin had started to tear off as well. The warden had no choice but to rush him to the Dogs Trust Leeds, a local shelter. But would it be too late to save him? The shelter workers certainly had their hands full. Before they could even start to remove his fur, however, they needed to anesthetize him. The dog's hair was matted so badly that it would have been too painful if they tried to remove it without medication. It was going to be a delicate operation, but the rescue team was up for the task. They spent hours carefully removing the filthy clumps of fur, and when they were done, they were absolutely blown away by what they saw. After the rescue team shaved off all of his fur, the dog looked like a brand new animal. His matted fur was removed, and his open wounds were promptly treated with medication. Rescuers appropriately named him Soldier for remaining tough throughout his ordeal. Finally, Soldier was on the road to recovery. Not long after, a foster family took in Soldier shortly after his traumatic rescue. He finally began to start eating again, and his wounds healed too. He still had a long way to go, but workers and his foster family were hopeful that, with the proper attention, he would make a full recovery.